फौजी परिवार हर 2 या 3 साल में अपना घर बदलते रहते हैं। नए शहर, नए स्टेट्स, इन सब में नए सिरे से अपनी ज़िंदगी को दोबारा शुरू करते हैं। कहा जाता है दे ब्लूम वेर एवर दे आर प्लांटेड। एंड फौजी घरों के काले बक्से तो बहुत मशहूर है। तो उस पर लिखा था, We live in and out of boxes. We have half a dozen SIM cards. We have unpacked and repacked houses and painted so many backyards. Ground floor or first, with rooms 2 or 7. It is our humble abode, our little piece of heaven. Local handicrafts adorn the walls, and there has to be a carpet. Keeping things to a minimum is often the target. Ladies, kids, officers, the kitchen feeds everyone. Children go to school on foot, bicycle, or in a 2.5 ton. Our life is like a child's treasure, wrapped in a handkerchief. We protect it with love, with care, and with belief. We open and lay it bare in each new place. And for the next 2 years, there the treasure stays. Then again, it is time to wrap up for a new destination that awaits. Pack the trunks and undo the setup. That's how our life operates.